Car charger dual USB port. Fashion mini GAN wall USB Type-C fast QC charger. Europe AC plug 30W dual USB car charger, GAN travel adapter. GPO fast Europe AC plug 30W dual USB car charger GAN is GAN PD. Charger for cell phone laptop. Wall GAN PD charger 30W dual USB car charger for cell phone laptop. Charging protocols is QC3. PD. Safety protection. Short circuit. OVP, OTP, OLP, OCP, other, overcharging, overcurrent, overvoltage. We have been supporting our agents with great conditions to develop business in local market. Welcome you join in us. Looking forward to your contact and advice.